French fries, French kisses, French perfume. Now let's add another to the list. Best French flowers. Slip on your beret and let's go on an adventure florale through your backyard. First up, the iris. This iconic flower, known as the florale, has symbolized French royalty since the 12th century. With its velvety petals in shades of purple, blue, and even white and gold, it blooms fragrant fan-like flowers from late spring to early summer. Ah, the French rose. Inspiration for the phrase "la vie en rose." Its dreamy scent and soft petals come in a spectrum of pinks, from deep hues to delicate pastels. Thriving in full sun and rich organic soil, this old heirloom cultivar blooms profusely through summer and spring, offering beauty year-round. Next, French lavender. Known for its pleasant fragrance and ruffled purple blooms, this sun-loving herb is a staple in French perfumes and soaps. Blooming from spring to fall, it prefers nutrient-poor alkaline soil and adds a touch of elegance to any garden. The common poppy, a symbol of remembrance for French martyrs of World War I. These self-seeding wildflowers blanket fields and meadows in shades of red, pink, orange, and white. Easy to grow, they thrive in full to partial sun and well-drained soil, making them a favorite among French gardeners. Hydrangeas, originally from Japan, found a home in French gardens for their large, showy flower heads in blue, purple, and pink. Perfect for landscaping and floral displays, these deciduous shrubs are a staple in French horticulture. Asters, or stars of autumn in France, boast abundant clusters of daisy-like blooms perfect for autumn celebrations and garden borders. Symbolizing warmth and vitality, the sunflower is a quintessential French bloom, gracing fields and gardens across the countryside. Van Gogh's paintings in Provence immortalize these radiant flowers, making France a significant producer in Europe. Lilacs, cherished for their sweet scent, have deep roots in French culture. Hardy and long-lived, these shrubs reward with shades of mauve, lavender, and pink. Best planted in sunny spots, they bloom beautifully with proper pruning. French geraniums like roseanne and fernleaf are staples in French gardening. With clusters of single and double blooms in red, pink, and white, these drought-tolerant flowers thrive in both window boxes and garden beds. Resilient and charming, French daisies bloom profusely from late spring through fall. Known as marguerites, they come in white, yellow, and pink with dark centers, embodying the French gardening ethos of beauty and practicality. Exotic hibiscus varieties like French Cabaret and Diana thrive in warm Mediterranean climates, gracing French landscapes with their vibrant blooms. In French garden designs, clematis reigns supreme with its large, colorful blossoms. As climbers in traditional jardin à la française, these vines adorn arbors and trellises, adding elegance to formal garden settings. Lily of the Valley, with its delicate bell-shaped flowers and sweet fragrance, thrives in mildly warm weather and prefers slightly alkaline soil. Ah, wisteria, the artist of Parisian summers. Its cascading clusters of white and mauve flowers adorn cozy cafes, roadside railings, and the banks of the Seine. Plant in full sun with sturdy trellises for a mesmerizing display. Next, French marigolds. Though native to Mexico, have found a beloved place in French gardens. These cheerful annuals bloom in shades of yellow, orange, and red, repelling pests and adding vibrant color to any landscape. French hyacinths, originating from Turkey and Palestine, herald spring with their vivid colors and intoxicating fragrance. Plant bulbs in fall for a breathtaking spring spectacle. Chrysanthemums, symbols of immortality in France, bloom in rich hues of purple, red, yellow, and pink. While associated with solemn occasions, these hardy flowers thrive in sunlight and well-drained soil. Nasturtiums, beloved for their beauty and spicy scent, were once graced the gardens of Versailles. Easy to grow and attracting bees and butterflies, these warm season annuals bloom in fiery red, yellow, and orange. Derived from pensée, meaning thought, pansies offer large face-like flowers in an array of patterns and colors. These versatile blooms brighten gardens in spring, early summer, or fall, depending on the climate. And finally, camellias, a symbol of love and commitment in French culture. With glossy leaves and abundant blooms in white, pink, and red, these shrubs thrive in shaded areas with acidic soil. Which of these enchanting French flowers will you add to your garden? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more floral adventures.